I don't know if you guys can see my killers because they're so far out there I could barely see them. They're just coming back now. They're just coming back now. They're going back out. Carlos, these new birds are doing really good. They're doing really good, boy. They roll every morning. I lost them. Here they are right here. 29 of them. I'm letting out some new young ones when these come down. I didn't want to let them out yet because they would have flown too much for them. Look at them go, Carlos. Oh my God, look at them go. Look at them go. Ripping, 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 ripping. I can't even see them. I can't even see them. They're gone. They're gone and I don't hear they go. I just saw a glimpse of them. I don't know why this gets cloudy like this. I may have to clean the lens. Look at them go. They say your birds don't fly, Carlos, huh? Okay. Look at them go. Beautiful. I'm enjoying this morning. They're right over the roof now. I lost them. Here they go. You guys gonna do anything else? It looks like they're gonna go back out. I don't see them. There they go. Yeah, they're going back out. You see them? They're ripping out that way. See them out that way? Oh, these things are going, dude. I love it. Later.